So 2 weeks ago I was cleaning up around the yard, cleaning up around the trees, cutting down the brush and stuff like that. And on this tree over here behind the tires, I found a bird's nest. There was 2 eggs in it. The next day my wife said that there was a 3rd egg in it. And today, the day before Mother's Day, the babies have hatched. So the mama bird's being really overprotective and flying around. But we're gonna get in here and see if we can't get a little peek at these cute little babies. Oh, look at that. So these little babies hatched today. Our daughter, when we came home today, came running inside to tell us that the baby birds had hatched. And there they are. 3 little baby birds. Oh, look at that. So, that is our early Mother's Day surprise. We have, there's the mama bird right there. Oh yeah, so she's nervous. Okay, so that's what we got. We got 3 new baby birds over there.
I kind of came running over here, and the mama bird must have heard me because it swooped down trying to attack me.
So this is day 2 of the baby birds. Let's see if I can get close enough to see them. Look at that. They're a little bit fuzzier today.
You're doing another documentary?
I'm doing another documentary.
There's 2 moms!
No, there's 3 birds.
Oh, there's another baby bird.
There's another baby bird.
But
so
then it was growing big.
It was growing big?
Yeah. So, I know what happens.
Be careful. There's thorns, love.
Okay, and there's a fly nest. So do not want to touch it.
So that is them. Day 2, baby birds. We will watch them grow until they leave the nest. All right, here we are, day 3. We're gonna check on our little baby birds and see how they are doing. It's difficult to get in here. All right. Oh wow, they've grown quite a bit. It's reaching way up above the top of the nest now. Oh man. That is fuzzy, cute, cute, cute. Yeah. Alrighty. And there are our baby birds. Day 3. Looking good, looking healthy. And we'll try to disturb them as least as we possibly can. We don't want to scare the mama off or draw too much attention to them with the dogs messing with them. So there we are, day 3. Hello. So originally I was going to go through and videotape the baby birds from the day they hatched until the day they left the nest. But sadly, the birds are gone. My wife came outside today and realized that none of them were in the nest. So there's really no point in getting up there and looking. The nest is torn up a little bit, and I think that our dogs may be the culprits. Some of the suspects right there. Yeah. The
We
kids.
have a clue that Chloe or Dell haven't done it because they're too short to do it.
So you guys don't think that Chloe or Adele did it?
I think Crosby did it because today he really stinks like a dead animal.
So the kids are compiling clues to figure out what happened. Yeah, my wife and I talked last night, sadly, about possibly putting a cage up around the tree to keep the dogs out. But this morning, obviously we did put a cage up around it last night, and this morning it was too late. So that's where we're at with that. This will be the final video with this subject because you want in the video.
You ruined it.
You can come sit beside me. So, yeah, we were really looking forward to watching the baby birds grow and leave the nest. It was going to be a pretty fun journey, but sometimes things don't work out, and that's just the way it goes sometimes. It's kind of sad. But do you got anything to say? All right, day 4, final day.